Hi guys, how are you doing? So here we have a box, a cayenne box, which we're going to animate, and I'm going to show you how. So we'll start by, uh, seeking the attributes from the class single ticker provider state mixin, which gives us access to the ticker class, which fires a callback once per every animation frame. So that's what we are going to use there. All variables are going to be declared as late because we want to then assign the variables later. So we can leave them without assigning them right now, right? And the animation controller controls the animation, and we are going to also initialize the animation as well in the init state. Now, as we are doing this, as you can see, it will allow us to put the duration for the animation or for each of the frames, which is 3 seconds. I'm going to do this. You can change it as per your request as you'd want, but for the purposes of this presentation, we're just going to leave it as that. Then we are going to initialize the animation, and the parent is the controller, which we have already assigned. Then the curve, we're just going to use a default one. You can use a custom one if you want, depending on your requirements. Then controller A forward is simply playing the animation. So the animation is going to play as soon as that init state is hit, which is when the class is just called. Then dispose, we always have to dispose the controller each time we close this that page or screen, because you don't want any leakages to happen. We are now going to move forward to the widget. So we are going to wrap our container in the box with the widget AnimatedBuilder. The animation is the animation which we declared. The builder, we are going to build our own custom one, and the child will be the child of the AnimatedBuilder. So whichever child the AnimatedBuilder holds is the child which is going to be animated, which is the container, right? So as you can see, transform scale animated a value so that it scales as based on the frames which we put for that animation in init state. So once we do this, when we play this animation, you're going to see it will come out just like this.